to talk about repairs. Now, I'm sure many of you have unmolded, taken your piece out, and seen these little holes, or bigger holes, like this. I'm going to teach you how to repair it. You can do it in a couple ways. I'm using my UV bonding. You can use regular UV, whatever you want to use. But what you need to do, you have a little cup, your little silicone cups are great, whatever you want to put it in. And then you're going to use a little tool to put some of this on the end and to fill your holes. And then we're going to use, I won't shine it in your eyes, but we're going to use our light to cure it. So it's done, cured, done. I'm not going to let you have to watch through all of this repair, but I want to show you the technique how to do it. I use resin tape, not packing tape. There's a difference. Resin tape is not as sticky as packing tape is. So what I did is I cut some strips of resin tape and I made sure that they were adhered to the outside and the inside. So I have this opening here to catch my resin and prevent it from falling down the side. We don't want that. We just want to fill these holes, right? We're not doing a top coat. We're just filling the holes. So I'll show you. Where's my big hole? There we go. We'll use this, and you see this hole right here. You see that super big hole? So let's just add a little bit, and we're going to just fill our hole there, right? We'll add a little more, and I'm just going to add it into this hole. Okay, so then I'm going to take my light and I'm going to cure that hole. Okay, and that's all it takes, y'all, to repair these little holes like this. Just put some resin tape there, use some of your UV resin, either bonding resin or your regular UV, put your light on it. Doesn't take long at all. Then you can pull your tape off. Oops, y'all, I've got a husky hair in there. But that's cured. It's solid. Now, I have good fabric scissors, and I can sand this down, pull off any excess, but my hole is filled, and I can just lightly use a nail file, sand that down, good to go. So I'm going to do the rest of these little holes the same way, but it's super easy technique, y'all. Use your resin tape, outside, inside, use a silicone tip, you can use a needle, whatever you have to fill your holes in, and then use your UV light to cure it. It's that simple. That's all it is to repairing a piece that comes out with these little micro holes in them. I hope that helped you. Y'all make sure you do all the YouTube things because we have some really cool stuff coming out. Until next time, happy arting. Ta-ta for now.